Hello and welcome back to another Tax Tip Tuesday. Last week we learned how to analyze an IRS notice to determine if it is legitimate. This week our focus will concern charitable donations. Often taxpayers donate money to various organizations and maintain record of these transactions so that they can be written off on their taxes. However, the IRS has regulations in place for reporting donations. So let's take a look at what you need to know before reporting charitable donations. There are 3 publications that may be of use to anyone who is uncertain of the qualifications of their donations, and they are Publication 526, Publication 561, and Publication 4303. Each of these can be found by utilizing the search box located on the IRS homepage. Beginning with Publication 526, the Charitable Contributions Instruction Booklet describes itself as a publication that explains how individuals claim a deduction for charitable contributions. It discusses the types of organizations to which you can make deductible charitable contributions and the types of contributions you can deduct. It also discusses how much you can deduct, what records you must keep, and how to report charitable contributions. A charitable contribution is a donation or gift to or for the use of a qualified organization. It is voluntary and is made without getting or expecting to get anything of equal value. To verify whether or not an organization is considered a qualified organization, try using the tax-exempt organization search tool. This can be found by clicking File, Charities and Nonprofits, and lastly, Tax-Exempt Organization Search Tool. Here, you can search based on the organization's name, their EIN number, or simply indicate the city and state, then browse an alphabetized list of organizations. If your charitable contribution is something other than cash, such as clothing, knowing how to value your deductible is important. This can be done by reviewing Publication 561. Which defines itself as a publication designed to help donors and appraisers determine the value of property other than cash that is given to qualified organizations. It also explains what kind of information you must have to support the charitable contribution deduction you claim on your return. This publication does not discuss how to figure the amount of your deduction for charitable contributions or written records and substantiation required. See Publication 526, Charitable Contributions, for this information. Lastly, if your charitable donation was a vehicle, then Publication 4303 provides you with information concerning necessary documentation and fair market value of that vehicle. Again, all of these documents can easily be obtained by searching their publication number in the search bar located on the IRS homepage. As always, I hope you learned something new that will help boost your confidence this tax season. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you next week.